Good morning, guys. This is day 12. Wow. Yeah. Go and see baby. And I've woken up to guava breakfast. I'm having guava for breakfast. There are plenty of guavas in this tree. And it's a small tree as well. And I've got some peaches, a peach tree. And let's go to the African bubble gum. That one is loaded to its eyeballs. Look at this African bubble gum tree. It's loaded. But it's a shame. I don't think I'm going to be able to eat these. I might be gone by the time they're done, they're ready. So let me just enjoy the guava in Chibage. Yum yum. Eggs and some water for tea. And I'm also grilling Chibage. Gochi gochi. Yep. Gazebo, not under the tree, not under the bubble gum tree, because this will make the tree dry up. Because I don't think they knew that they were not supposed to cook under a fruit tree. I think we're gonna switch the gazebo, and next week we are hoping you build where the cooking sticks are. That's where we're gonna put the gazebo there, with the grass, so we can cook nicely there. Because right now we don't want to dry up the bubble gums, the African bubble gum. We need to preserve these trees, and this area where we got our land as well. You are not allowed to cut any trees. You have to ask for permission if you want to cut down trees. And look at my daughter, she's washing dishes there. She enjoys playing with the water, playing some sand with her friend Chantel there. So I hope you are enjoying. Please like, share and subscribe. I hope you are liking the whole Zim vibe, and I'm having a great time. Oh no, my corn is just gone in the fire. Oops, it's a bit ashy there on that side, but it's okay. And today we are going to my in-laws in Mondoro. It's just across the Beatrice where we've got our farm. So I think it's going to take us about an hour to go there, but we'll go after lunch. That's when we go and see my mother-in-law. So please like, share, subscribe to Amari Villas channel.